park keepers. He's just going along with it. And I think these park keepers should be fired. They shouldn't be in a public service job. They're in their own job. So I really think people that have interacted with me today and been offensive to me should get fired. As should this guy. This guy's just not doing anything to shut down this behavior. He hasn't said a single word to these park keepers that would shut down their behavior with me in a public park. So that's how sheriff and law enforcement works in the USA. Right there, big sheriff's truck. Right there, let's have a look at the plate. So you got big sheriff's truck with a trailer, porta potty, park keepers, harassing park keepers, just minding my own business in the park. They got a crew with them. I'm not sure what the crew's about. Okay, I'm gonna place another 911 call. Okay, I'm getting fed up of waiting.